Okay, let's do part A. So here we determine the number of US travelers to other countries in the year 1990. And so year 1990 corresponds to x equal to 0. So we have to plug in x equal to 0 into the p of x function. So when we do that, we get p of 0, and this equals negative of 0.00540. This is 0 cube plus 0.1129 square plus 1.153 times 0 plus 47.86. So the first three terms are going to be 0 because 0 cube is 0 and 0 times this number is 0, and the second term also becomes 0 because 0 squared is 0, and this is also 0. So the only number left on the right side is 47.86. So therefore we see that the number of US travelers to other countries in year 1990, and this equals 47.86 million. We can round this to nearest tenth, and when we do that, this equals 47.9 million. Now let's do part B. Here we find the number of US travelers to other countries in the year 2000. So year 2000 corresponds to x equals 2000 minus the beginning of the year is 1990, and so this gives 10. So we have to plug in x equal to 10 into this function, so therefore it becomes p of 10, and this equals negative of 0.00540 times x cube, that is 10 cube, plus 0.1129 times x squared, so it is 10 squared, plus 1 point, this is 1.153 times 10 plus 47.86. Now we can simplify this. So this equals a negative of 0.00540. 10 cube is 1000 plus 0.1129 times 10 square is 100 plus 1.153 times 10. So we just have to move this decimal place 1 to the right. So this will become 11.53, and then we have 47.86. Now let's simplify and evaluate. So the first number we have to multiply by 1000. So when you multiply the number or the decimal in 1000, we have to move to the right by three places. So we move the decimal point from this is 1, 2, and 3. So it's basically negative 5.40. And then when we multiply 0.1129 with 100, we have to move the decimal places to the right by 2. This is 11.29. So this is a positive number plus 11.29, plus we then have 11.53 plus 47.86. We can plug this expression into a calculator to evaluate its value, and we get 65.28, and when approximated to nearest tenth, we get 65.3, and this is in millions. So we see that in year 2000, the number of US travelers to other countries is 65.3 million. Let's do part C. Here we determine the number of US travelers to other countries in the year 2009. So first let's determine x by doing this subtraction, that is from this year minus 1990, which is the beginning of the year for this calculation. So this gives 19 years. So therefore we see that x equal to 19. that is the year 2009 corresponds to the value of x equals 19, and so we have to plug in x equal to 19 into this function. So therefore we will get p of 19, and this equals negative 0.00540 times 19 cube plus 0.1129 times 19 square plus 1.153 times 19 plus 47.86. We can plug this expression using the calculator, and when we do that, we get approximately 73.5, and this is rounded to the nearest tenth of a million. So we say that the number of US travelers to other countries in the year 2009 equals 73.5 million.